Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by verifying prerequisites, WordPress, PHP, and a recent backup so you can undo changes. Once done, decide whether you want a plugin-based breadcrumb or to integrate breadcrumbs into your theme for greater control. Make sure you have FTP or a file editor enabled and a child theme active if you plan to edit templates. Now install or locate the tool. Go to Plugins, add New to install a Breadcrumbs plugin, or open your child themes, template files to prepare insertion points. If using a plugin, activate it and configure hierarchy, separator, and display conditions. Then enable breadcrumb output in the plugin settings. If editing the theme, open the right template file and insert the provided PHP function or shortcode where you want breadcrumbs to appear, typically above the title. Once inserted, apply CSS rules to match spacing and typography, and ensure conditional logic hides crumbs on the home page. Then clear caches and preview posts, pages, archives, and text. To finish, validate structured data and ensure breadcrumbs generate proper schema for search engines. This improves SEO and click-throughs. Once validated, clear all caches including CDN and plugin caches, then recheck front-end behavior on mobile and desktop. If breadcrumbs don't appear, disable other plugins to find conflicts, confirm your theme's template hierarchy allows the insertion, and ensure you use the child theme. If styling breaks, tweak CSS selectors. One key troubleshooting tip: test by switching to a default theme to isolate theme.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.